Nina, Nina blew off the situation and looked as Hunter looked into the sky. Rain scattered on his face as Nina's hair started to get damp and wet in the process. Hunter Riley immediately put his hand toward Nina and says, "Would you like to have this dance in the rain?" Nina stared directly at Hunter, and Nina without hesitation, took his hand. They both found themselves waltzing throughout the rain. Despite the screeching noises from the tropical forest itself. After they both swayed waltzed through the rain. Nina still had her heels on, but before they waltzed through the rain, Hunter Riley managed to put his shoes back on as they waltzed the rain. Hunter swirled Nina around as if they were dancing at the prom they had a few years back. Nina and Hunter danced and waltzed through the rain, and before they both separated each other from the rain itself, within the same exact camp area, Tyree looked up into the sky as Nina let the rain fly into her mouth. The two couple were unaware of another situation. An unruly jaguar stared directly at them within their path. The jaguar smiled abruptly, as if it was an actual male or female intact. The jaguar screeched again and ran toward the male and female. Nina turned around and stared at Hunter Riley as a result. And Hunter Riley, who was staring up into the sky in the rain, slowly turned around and stared at Nina Forrester. Hunter Riley stares directly at Nina Forrester and smiles at the situation. But his smile all of a sudden turns into the upside down U.